Most people think they are just tired, but sometimes it's the nervous system asking for help. The stress, constant overthinking, holding emotion inside for too long, the body stores all of it. After a point, it starts showing up as anxiety, mental heaviness, low energy, poor sleep, and emotional exhaustion. That's why I'm hosting this Emotional Release Reset Breathwork Experience, a guided session designed to help you calm the nervous system, emotional stress, and feel mentally lighter through powerful breathwork and breathing techniques. Many people don't realize how much the body can release. Just the date before your body forces you to slow you down. 11th May, 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time. First 10 people who DM me reset get free access. After that, special discounted seats will be available for limited participants only. Note, session will be happened after 15 confirmed bookings. Your nervous system has been carrying too much for too long. So DM reset if your mind and body needs a real reset.